Okay, so over here I have my Canson Mixed Media Imagine paper pad. Was helping me as my guideline on how my nose should be or how my eyes should be. But once again, I was taking the help of those guidelines, but in the end doing my own thing that you can see right here. I'm just spreading the paint lightly using little bit of water, and then I just take pure cerulean blue and increase the intensity little bit on the corner of her eye. And apply it on the right side of the lips, as you can see, and spread it really nicely using a paint and spread technique. And then I do exactly that on the left side of the upper lip as well. I just apply a little bit of crimson red and then spread it using a paint and spread technique. That hair will fall a little bit on the neck. And then with my round synthetic hairbrush, I take some cadmium yellow and apply that on the feathers, giving the strokes that are gold. For the stem of the flower and the center circle of the flower, what I do is I just mix the cerulean blue that is in my palette. And all the layers have started looking so beautiful on top of each other. And once again, coming back with my yellow color, I'm blending the white strokes that we just gave using the So this was the magic of layering that we used to create the bird, and with this we end our painting right here.